Thank you for having me. Thank you, Diego. Thank you, Zamzam. Thank you, everyone. This is the activity, summary of our activity Jan to Mars 2026. And I'll start with our 2026 plan. We are done with the SAC course online and the SAC course 21 face-to-face. And we are we are going to do 12 monthly forum. We are done yet with the 3 monthly forums, Jan, February, and March. And we are going to have 3 Navy meteorology courses locally for Oman. And we have some programs with Oman Space Programs, local activities and conference the team is going to attend, and we have international activities and conference the team also is going to attend. We have some CAA, Civil Aviation Authority, local training programs for our own forecasters. And our activity was a little bit, our team actually was a little bit shy during Ramadan time, but we are proceeding with completing this plan, and we have dust course in May. This is online for our Arabic forecasters in MENA, Middle East and North Africa region. And actually we have already proposed a marine three-day event. This is for Middle East and Africa, and the proposal is already drafted to the UMITSAT, to the African and Middle East Center of Excellence. And currently I'm planning for this course, and this event is like a trip, having it starting from Oman, crossing the Indian Ocean, passing through different Center of Excellence, Kenya, South Africa, Niger, then Morocco, then back to Oman through the Mediterranean and Red Sea. And while we are traveling across these oceans, we are discussing things like tour of our Met offices, weather briefing, case studies, whether from Center of Excellence Oman or from the other Met office around the Center of Excellence. Then contribution could be from the Center of Excellence Kenya, then Center of Excellence South Africa, Niger, and Morocco. The same, we could have a tour of offices there, a weather briefing, daily weather briefing for every day of this workshop. So this is for 3 days, and what we have next, we have actually we are planning for a tropical cyclone for GCC country. This is the country of Oman, UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait, and Yemen, actually discussing tropical storms in Arabian Sea for 3 hours. And we are planning also to have UMITSAT data services in Arabic. This is proposed by Manal and Zamzam, actually to be delivered to Arabic forecasters. And we have a national workshop on risk assessment using satellite application. We're planning this for local specialists in the field, but we're aiming to master this for Middle East and North Africa for the next year. We want to succeed in doing it locally, but yeah, our ultimate target is to do it for the MENA region. And I want to show you a very brief video about our successful last SAC course. If you have time for a minute or so. So So what have been done during this course, we started with an online activity for 4 days. Then we moved to the face-to-face program, 12 to 8 to 12 February, and topics like lightning, introduction to MTG missions, satellite principles, and some visualization platforms, and fire detection, convection and thunderstorm, and many different topics based on the application of MTG satellite, whether it's for the FCI or the lightning imager. And actually, we changed a little bit in the face-to-face program at the end of the course, day 5. We found some gaps in understanding the RGB actually, and we changed a little bit the program, and we find good tools from worldview to deal with channel assignment to make RGBs, and actually it's a good idea to have a simple platform for participants and for students to play with RGB assignments, play with different channels with different RGBs, and to see by their own eyes how these RGBs applied. So for that, I'm planning to have a simple platform. I want to translate it into Arabic in somehow. This is with the help of ChatGPT and other AI tools to simplify the way we teach RGB for our Arabic students and our Arabic forecasters. In the same day, we went to some last mile activities. We did some risk assessment application using satellites, and using some good tools available in Google Earth Pro. Actually, we put everything there. We put sounding, we put different layers with a forecasting, satellite, cross-sectional view, population map, and so on, and let people to draw in the same platform, the same Google Earth Pro facilities, the risk map and alert maps and so on. The monthly forums are going on. Last monthly forums, we discussed stormy week over Arabian Peninsula. It's kind of historic, actually, rainy week from 20 to 28 March. Sorry, this is for 2026. Sorry for typing mistake. But there is a lot of, thunderstorms, some strange features being depicted for the first time by highly and sophisticated instrument, FCI plus lightning imager on board of the MTG satellite Meteosat 12. And we discussed a lot of historic, we bring up historic view for such event, 1997, and some other features similar to these systems over north of Oman, some Arabian Peninsula mountains, and we treat some circumstances favorable for such systems. And the system was a westerly wave, very slow moving westerly wave, allow a lot of moisture, a lot of tropical moisture from North Indian Ocean to come with the dynamic brought by this system. And on the ground there was a lot of, flooding over north of Oman and UAE. studying the new satellite application. But how this is, of course, we have some treatment of the new lightning emitter in MTG, comparing with some ground lightning network, and the exploration and the analysis is still going on to evaluate this instrument. This new satellite instrument over the region. How Oman, how DGMIT Directorate General of Meteorology dealt with the case? We have done a lot of treatment, a lot of reports, being in different channels of social media, and in Oman national TV, and yes, we succeeded with this case, despite of uncertainty of model forecast, doing our high level of decision makers were attended these processes. Thanks to them, they are supporting us doing this better and better. And we discussed a lot of features actually using the FCI and LI instrument in MTG, plus some other interesting low orbiting satellites being treated and will be treated more and more in future. Actually, this is very, I'm discussing this in very short time, but this case deserves a lot of exploration and discussion. I don't want to mention that again, but we are still very active in a WhatsApp group, Amina focus group, discussing a lot of things in a daily basis and an hourly basis sometimes, whenever we have a good case. And yes, we'll continue doing that. Thank you.
Thanks, Ibrahim, for the excellent and deep overview for the next plan for Center of Excellence Muscat and the general overview about the satellite application course. It was a really highly successful training program this year, and also give us a highlight about the severe weather in the region during last month. Thanks, Ibrahim. Anyone has comments for Ibrahim?
Go ahead, Kathy. Thank you.
Yes, excellent presentation. Really interested in that case of severe weather, flooding across Oman, which is really good for our tropical students. Is there any way I could just get a small snippet of the case itself, which I can utilize for my tropical and satellite course going forward? I think it's really good to show students another part of the globe and how that kind of severe weather, that river of moisture, can affect even our Arab states. Thank you. With excellent presentation and excellent work.
Thank you, Kathy. Of course, I'm glad to hear that. We'll keep in touch in that regard. Thank you, Kathy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kathy.